Which was your guys' favorite uniform piece? Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. If you're new here, I'm Julia. I'm a Dallas-based flight attendant. Today is a really fun day because I just got my new flight attendant uniforms in the mail and I'm really excited to try it on and show it to all of you. It came in this giant box and I am super excited to try everything on. Now, even though I got my uniforms today, we are not officially wearing them as a company until March 1st of next year. Everyone from my company ordered their new uniforms online, and so the reason why we are waiting until March 1st of 2020 to start wearing them is so that everyone has enough time to do resizing, returns, get them tailored.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
It looks like Luna wants to try the uniform on too. There are a lot of items in this box, so I think I'm going to start with the dresses and the skirts first and then move on to the pants and the blazers, and you guys will have to let me know what you think in the comments below about each of the uniform pieces.
And hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
So I decided to just spread everything out. So over here I have two skirts. This is, these are a pair of pants. I have the belt right here, the all-weather, or the all-season coat. So that's like a really big jacket. Short sleeve shirts here, long sleeve shirt here, plaid long and short sleeve shirts. I have my two scarves. There are two servant garments, which basically is an apron. I have my dress right here, which I thought I ordered two dresses, but I guess maybe I only ordered one. That or I'm missing one. I have two cardigans right here, or excuse me, two jackets right there, and one cardigan right here. So I am excited to try everything on. So right now I'm wearing the A-line skirt. The shirt is just a white blouse, but I do think I'm going to need to get it tailored because it is really big here, but it does fit me in the arms. But every time I lift my arms up and then bring them back down, it's gonna bunch up a lot right here. And this is just our new skirt. Now I'm wearing the same skirt that I was before, but with the white long sleeve shirt, and I definitely think I'm going to return this one because it is really big on me. The arms are really big and the stomach area is really big, and I feel like a pirate. I decided to change into the plaid shirts, and I really like this uniform, except I'm running into the same issue that I had before, which was the arm fits me, but this part is way too big on the stomach area. So I think I'm just gonna have to get this one tailored as well. This is the same plaid shirt as earlier, but this is the long sleeve, and it's the same problem as the other long sleeve shirt. It's just really, really big on me, especially if I lift my arms up, it gets really bunched up here. Okay, so this is probably the least flattering, worst uniform I have ever tried on. The pants are high waters on me. I cannot figure out a pair of shoes that will even look remotely good with this. The shirt is way too big. It makes me look bigger than I actually am, and I also think I kind of look like a pilot. I just tried on the blazer, and I do really like it. I've never had a blazer before, but I do think that it needs to be tailored in the back because it is still pretty loose on me. This is the long sleeve dress option. I swear I ordered a short sleeve dress, but I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna make sure that I actually did order that. But we had two different options. We could order the synthetic or the wool, and I ended up getting the synthetic dress. So I don't know, I like it. It's pretty comfortable and it has pockets. This is the short sleeve blazer option, which you can wear with either the skirt or the pants. And finally, I have the all-weather winter coat, and it does fit pretty big, but I guess that's how it's supposed to fit. And what's really awesome about this coat is it does have extra insulation on the inside of it. Alright everyone, so that is going to conclude this little try on of my new flight attendant uniforms. Again, like I said, we are not going to start wearing these until March of next year. That way it gives everyone who is wearing the new uniform plenty of time to do exchanges and alterations, which as you can tell, I'm going to need a lot of different alterations. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of Vlogmas or any of my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Making angels in the smell